In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tables from ChatGPT to Notion the easy way. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to transfer tables from ChatGPT to Notion the easy way. First, make sure you have the table you want visible in ChatGPT. You can generate a new table by asking for it, or scroll to the part of your conversation where the table already appears. Take a moment to confirm that the headers and the rows look the way you want, because whatever you see here is exactly what you'll bring over to Notion. Now highlight the entire table. Click at the very beginning of the table, hold, and drag your cursor all the way to the end. If it's easier, click at the start, scroll to the end, then hold Shift and click to select everything in one move. Be careful not to include extra text above or below the table, and make sure you've captured every column and row. With the table selected, copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. A quick tip here. If you accidentally grabbed extra lines, it's fine. Notion will paste them too, but you can always undo and try again to keep things clean. Next, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want the table to live. This works in both the desktop app and the web version. Click onto an empty line, so the table becomes its own block and doesn't get tucked inside another paragraph or callout. If you don't see an empty line, press Enter to create one, then click there. Paste the table using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac, or right-click and select Paste. Notion will automatically recognize the table and convert it into a Notion table block for you. You don't need to format anything manually. It does the heavy lifting in the background. If the formatting looks off, press Undo and paste again, making sure your selection in ChatGPT included the full table and only the table. From here, adjust columns or rows as needed. You can resize column widths by dragging the borders, rename header cells to keep your data clear, and add or delete rows to match your needs. If text is wrapping in a way you don't like, widen the column until everything is readable. The goal is to make the table easy to scan and use in your workspace. And that's how to transfer tables from ChatGPT to Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.